The cervical safety checks with the patient seated. The elbows are put across the shoulders of the patient and the hands on top of the head, with pressure in a downward direction, held on for a few seconds, and relax. Any pain or discomfort or dizziness by the patient would suggest that there was a problem. In addition, from this position, elbows in the same position. It's important to retract the head by simply pushing upwards towards the ceiling. Then come round to in front of the patient and ask the patient to take the head backwards and over to this one side and hold the position. That position will be held for about 15-20 seconds and relax. And the same will be done to the other side. Backwards and upwards and the position held. We're looking for any dizziness or disturbance there at all that might suggest that there was a problem.